you start changing and doing it the right way, coming down to the frame and changing all the major components, you're getting another lifespan out of them, and that's what you're looking for.
So we offer basically 3 types of levels, which is a full machine rebuild, where that one we strip it down to the frame. Every component gets gone through, reconditioned, every hose. That process takes it gives it a new serial number, so all the hours will be zeroed out. So basically, you'll get a brand new refurbished machine with 0 hours. Their other process is a CPT, which is a certified powertrain rebuild, or we could just do a powertrain only, and it could be just all your major components, no paint, no AC work. We could modify just different levels as the customer needs. We're just adding more value to that machine, and now he's got a good, reliable machine with warranty that he could take out and put to work right away.
You're basically getting an almost new machine from the ground up, coming out of the shop on a rebuild, just as you would a new one. And for us, that's a no-brainer for us. We've had multiple rebuilds with the Warren Cat, and it's just getting better and better. Like I said, the communication, the clarity, that's what ultimately brings us back.